Hey you guys, my name is Jude Design and today we'll be doing this amazing design on Adobe Photoshop. Canva, this is what I will be working with. I downloaded this phone image on Pinterest. So what I will do is to bring in my image, which I also downloaded on Pinterest. This one. So I will right click and flip horizontal. So I'll reduce the opacity so I can fit it to the phone. So I will do it like that. I think this is fine. Yeah, I think this one is fine. Okay, this is good. So what I'll do next is to increase it back. So what I'll do next is to turn this one off, and I'll come back to the phone and I'll use my magic word tool, and I just click so to select only the white and only the surface of the phone. So I'll press Ctrl J to duplicate, and I will duplicate this one also, our image, Ctrl J, and I'll turn the first one off. So I'll come back to the original one, I'll turn the copy off, come back to the original one, right click and create a clipping mask. If you want to use keyboard, this is Alt Ctrl plus G. So I'll create clipping mask and you can see it right here. So I'll turn this one on. Yeah, turn this one on and select the subject. I'll just select the subject this way. If you can't select the subject like this, you can go to your filter, go to your select subject and it will select, or you can use quick selection tool, whichever way works for you. So I'll just select the subject and I will Ctrl J the subject, and I'll come back and delete the copy. This one I'll just delete, press delete on my keyboard and delete. So now on our image, on the one that we just duplicated, I will create a clipping mask and I will go to my brush tool, this one, and I will just brush out the parts that I don't need. And that is it. Simple, clean and clear. And that would be the end of our design. I'll see you next time. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and comment, like, share. See you next time. Peace out.